committed to global leadership in special printing and materials.
How to adjust the density or darkness of the printer. Today, we are going to demonstrate it and show you different densities printing result. You can adjust the print size and the density or darkness of the print head through the Properties menu in your printing software. For your first setup, please select the Use Printer Settings option. If you do not select this, the default printer driver restricts the darkness setting to a maximum of 16. After choosing this, you can utilize the Fanuusoft config software, which allows you to adjust the print density parameter from 1 to 32. To help you better understand the concept, now I will demonstrate to print different density effect from 1 to 30. Wait the printer to reconnect, usually takes 6 seconds. Now it should apply the density one we already set before. Let's try density 4. Click Connect button and change the density. Remember to save your changes every time. I press Ctrl+P shortcut for printing function, which is universal in many software like Adobe PDF, Illustrator, Photoshop. In this case, Affinity Designer is used for vector design of the ribbon printing. Highly recommended, now free for everyone. The result of density 1 or 4 showed undesired printing outcome, which means the temperature of the print head is too low. I will speed up the rest part and show you the result. Results show that density 12 to 18 is the ideal density for this ribbon and media. For different base ribbon, wax, resin, the amount of heat is required differently. If you like this video, please give us a thumb up, and please follow us for more tips on ribbon printing.